Are you looking to migrate Thunderbird emails to your Google Apps/G Suite account? Welcome to WholeClear Thunderbird to G Suite Converter. Migrating your Thunderbird emails to G Suite becomes a streamlined and efficient process. This powerful tool is designed to ensure a seamless transfer of your email data with minimal effort. Key features of the WholeClear Thunderbird to G Suite Converter. Migrate Thunderbird to G Suite effortlessly. Import Thunderbird files in 2 simple ways. Compatible with Microsoft Windows for seamless integration. Requires an internet connection to complete the migration. Step-by-step process to transfer Thunderbird emails to G Suite. Step 1. Download and launch the WholeClear Thunderbird to G Suite Converter. Step 2. Select Thunderbird file location. Choose the default location option and click Next. Step 3. Choose loading option. Select manual or automatic loading and browse Thunderbird mailboxes. Step 4. Choose Export to G Suite account under the Export options. Step 5. Enter G Suite account credentials. Add your G Suite username and password and click on the Authenticate User button to verify your account. Step 6. Select a folder for Thunderbird files. Choose or create a new folder with a desired name in your G Suite account. Step 7. Click Upload Now. This will migrate Thunderbird data into your G Suite account. Once the above steps are completed, the tool will take only a few minutes to transfer all Thunderbird email items to your Google Apps cloud. Users can then simply log in to their G Suite account to access the imported emails. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.